You didn't do much today. No heavy workload, no intense effort, yet you feel tired. Not physically, but mentally, quietly drained. And you wonder, why am I exhausted when I haven't really done anything? Here's the truth. Fatigue doesn't come only from effort. It often comes from constant internal strain. Welcome to Mindcraft, where psychology meets self-discipline. In Phase 4, we're exploring inner stability. We've talked about emotional regulation, boundaries, and self-respect. Today, we look at something many people misunderstand: why exhaustion appears even in low-activity days. The brain consumes energy not only when working, but when monitoring mood, monitoring others, monitoring yourself. You can be mentally busy without being physically active. A vigilant mind never fully rests, and vigilance is expensive. Intense stress is obvious, but low-grade stress is subtle. Background anxiety, unresolved decisions, emotional restraint. This kind of stress doesn't spike energy, it leaks it. Over time, the nervous system never fully resets, and fatigue accumulates quietly. When people feel tired, they try to rest more, sleep longer, scroll, zone out. Think about the last time you tried to rest. Did you feel restored or just paused? Rest helps the body, but mental fatigue often comes from unresolved tension. Without release, rest feels shallow. Emotional labor is rarely acknowledged. Holding yourself together, managing reactions, staying composed. This work doesn't look like effort, but it consumes energy. When emotional labor is constant, fatigue becomes chronic, not because you're weak, but because you're carrying too much internally. Psychology suggests a different approach. Energy returns when tension resolves, not just when effort stops. Here's what helps. First, name the hidden load. Awareness reduces internal pressure. Second, complete small loops. Unfinished thoughts drain energy. Third, allow micro-release. Moments of honesty, movement, or emotional expression. Vitality rebuilds when the system no longer has to hold itself together constantly. You're not tired because you're doing too little. You're tired because your mind has been doing too much quietly. When vigilance softens, energy returns. Not suddenly, but steadily. If this helped you understand why fatigue appears without effort, subscribe to Mindcraft.